Welcome back to another episode of JDM for All. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you guys haven't already. It helps me out a lot. Today's video is about the Boost Blue Type R. We are going to be installing another MUGEN part. Another MUGEN part straight from Japan on the CIvic Type R. I'm going to show you guys what they are. These are actually what we are going to be installing, and these are called door inner protectors. That's at least what the paper says. Basically, they are just little protectors for the inside of the door where your foot might kick it when you're getting out of the door. They look great. And it should be a really easy installation. I have had these for a while, but I've been really busy with all kinds of projects on the cars, so haven't had a time to actually install these. We're about to install them right now, guys. So basically, we will check out the instructions. Shouldn't be that difficult. I mean, really, it's self-explanatory. It says right here that you peel off the back. Yeah, really easy. And you fit it on the door right here, and it's literally right outside of the pocket of the door. And then you just line it up with the two lines. I think this is the speaker line right there, and this is like the line of where the door pocket starts. So should be really simple. We're going to test fit them really quick. So I'm going to pull these out of the package and we'll begin test fitting. Okay, so pretty much all it says is to line these up. I think I got the wrong one. I'm gonna have to go get the other one really quick. I'm just gonna wipe it down. Just a really quick wipe should do it, and that should be enough to clean it off. This isn't gonna be something outside or something that can deal with the weather, so I'm not gonna worry about cleaning it with alcohol or making sure it is super clean. Just try to wipe down some dust off of it and maybe some oils from fingerprints or whatever. I don't know. So here's the MUGEN protectors, the door protectors, guys. This is what they look like. They look great outside of the box. They're actually pretty thick. Like, this doesn't even flex. It feels like there's like a backing on it. So these are really thick and high quality. If you thought these were just like vinyl wraps, it's not exactly that. It's actually pretty thick. So these should last a long time, and they definitely look great. Look at that. I mean, how good do those look? Super cool. And that's what it's going to look like. Wow, yeah, these look great. So basically, it looks like you just try to line them up on the side right there and on the pocket up at the top and probably at the bottom as well. I mean, you want it to be straight. You definitely don't want it off, and you don't want them crooked or anything. So yeah, it looks super good. So I am really excited to install these. Like I said, I've had these in the garage for a little while. So I'm going to get a damp cloth and just wipe down this area really quick, and we will install this. I did want to show you guys, if you guys didn't see the video, check out these side markers. They look super aggressive. They are LED as well, and they do light up at night or when the headlights are on. Super cool. I love the look of these. I am just really, really liking all of the mods, and obviously my Type R. So carbon fiber mirrors, carbon fiber fender vent, blacked out side markers. Love it. How good does that look? It just goes together so well, and it just looks so good. So I am absolutely in love with this car, and we're installing another mod. So happy about that. Sometimes I actually forget that I own a Type R, and it's just a dream come true. It's one of my dream cars that I never thought I would actually have, and I own one, guys. So I'm sure you guys can relate if you guys own a Type R. But yeah, it's a great car. Still want to get an S2000 or an EP3 as well. Those are cars that I have been wanting for a long time, but S2000 and NSX, the original NSX, those are some of my dream cars that I definitely want to get in the future. They're on my list for sure. Okay, so we should be about ready to install these right now. I was just waiting for the door to dry and just give it enough time to dry. I didn't want any moisture in there or anything. Going to try to get my door to open as much as possible. You really need a lot of room if you want this to be lined up great. Otherwise, you can't really see it from all angles, like the bottom, the top, and just all the way around. So yeah, I'm going to install this really quick. It looks pretty good right about there. You can't really tell. I'm gonna need two hands, but for the most part, I mean, That does look really good. Yeah, it's going to look great. I just don't want it on crooked. I'm a little bit picky about how things need to be. I'm actually pretty picky when it comes to mods like this, and it has to be straight. So I'm going to get this installed right now. All right, and that is what it looks like. Looks really good. I do want to tell you guys that I had it a little higher up on this little bump right here, and it was too high up, and the top actually didn't want to cover up there and stick, basically because it was just too much going up there. So once I lowered it, it's actually sticking much better, even though it doesn't seem to be as sticky as the MUGEN scuff plates. So it is working great. It is holding, but it's not holding like I expected. I thought it would be super sticky and just stuck on there. It's not like that, but that's okay. I'm fine with it as long as it doesn't come off, which I doubt is going to happen, especially because it is cold out right now. That's probably one reason why it's not sticking as much as I expected, but I'm okay with it. I'm happy with it, guys. For the price, I really hope these don't fall off. I believe these were like $80-something from Japan, but so far, guys, I'm liking them. I think they look so good. They really do look good. They match the car great. I just think they look perfect. So with the MUGEN scuff plates and then the MUGEN door protector, I'm liking it, guys. I think it looks really good. And yeah, I think this is a better fitment if you do lower it and try to line it up a little better at the bottom, because if it's over the top of this bump, like I said before, it just doesn't want to stick. It really doesn't want to stick at all. But how it is right now, it sits on the bump versus trying to cover the bump. So yeah, I'm liking it, guys. I think it looks great. They look really good. They're just reflecting my blue. You could just see blue all over the place. Yeah, they look super good. So I'm going to install the other side, and then I'll show you guys what they both look like. Okay, so here we go, guys. This is the driver's side. So like I mentioned, there is a small gap in here. It's not a really big deal. You can press it out, but it will just come back. I don't know if it's because these are actually hardened from the cold. I'm thinking in the heat or in the sun, these will probably mold more, and they'll probably look a lot better, and they'll probably hold a little better. I might go get my wife's blow dryer and just try to press these on before dust gets in there, because I don't think they'll stick as well, obviously, if dust gets in there. So that's what it looks like, guys. So I really like how they fit. Obviously, they're made for this door, and it's MUGEN, so it's going to fit like OEM. Also, look at that finish. So it has like a glossy, shiny finish, but also it's like it's textured as well. So I really like the look of these. I think they look great. I will update you guys on all of this stuff, let you guys know how the scuff plates are doing. I'll let you know how these are doing. All of the mods on my Type R. I will have to do a mod list video again soon, but I think I am going to, after this video, get the blow dryer and just heat these up, because I don't think they're actually pliable, because it's a little cold out. It's like 65 degrees out today, which isn't that cold. I know some people are like, that's not cold, but it's chilly, and I'm sure how thick these are, they're having a harder time actually sticking. But so far, really happy with them. They're holding really well everywhere else. It's just that spot at the top that I don't like how they're actually sitting. It's just a small little gap. It's nothing much. It's almost nothing. Obviously, I will have more mods for this Type R soon, more MUGEN mods as well. So make sure to subscribe, hit the like button. If you guys want to see everything that I've done to this Type R so far, I do have a playlist with all of the mods I've done. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for making it this far. Make sure to subscribe if you guys haven't already. It helps me out a lot. And if you guys want to see more Type R videos, definitely hit the bell, because I will be making more videos about the Type R, and like I said, do have a playlist on it already, and I have a playlist on a bunch of other Civics as well. So thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video. Okay guys, quick update. Because you guys stuck around and watched the whole video, I actually used the blow dryer on the MUGEN protectors. Seemed to help. Don't know how long it's gonna last, but it did seem to work very well. Now, I don't know if this is just going to come off again, but I am happy that it does look better. So, as you can see, it is popping out right there a little bit, popping out right there a little bit. Not a big deal, but I mean, it does look way better. And here's the passenger side. Looks much better as well. It wasn't sticking at first, but after I held it for a few minutes, it held very well. And I'm happy about that, guys. So definitely a great look. Looks really good and seems to be holding well. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.